us as we find out how to create the perfect Victoria sponge. Today's special ingredient is strawberry jam. Let's see how this little miss pulls it off. Is she as precise in the kitchen as she is with her perfectly coiffed hair? Notice the care with which each ingredient is handled. A touch of this, a pinch of that, and suddenly the mixture is lighter than air. Always remember to set a timer for your cakes. It's so easy for time to slip by. While we wait, don't go anywhere. Please enjoy a short message from our sponsors. Welcome back. You're just in time. This delightful sponge is ready to be layered. These small acts of care lead to consistent perfection. Follow each letter to a T, and you can recreate any of these classic desserts. And look, once again, it looks delicious.
Nothing beats homemade.
A pinch of that. Today's special ingredient is tireless dedication. Executed with tireless dedication. Join us to create any of these classic desserts. Just in time. This beautiful tart is ready to be plated. Practice makes perfect. Once again.
Nothing beats homemade.
As always, she has outdone herself. Welcome back. Don't go anywhere. The special ingredient is... Now, dear viewers, we are ready to complete this eaten mess. So remember, next time you're... Of course, and now your imperfect meringue is a decadent English delicacy. And of course, when in doubt, finish with some heavy whipped cream and a berry... Welcome back, dear viewers. Today on Nothing Beats Homemade, this little miss will show us how to create a delightful apricot French. Our ingredient of the day is bitter almond. And remember, just a drop of almond essence brings depth of flavor. Balance, dear viewers. Apricot and almonds are a match made in heaven, and this tart makes the most of both. This dessert is sure to be a showstopper at any event. Welcome back, dear viewers, to Nothing Beats Homemade. Today, this